Bluefin Tuna Sashimi, my favorite. I'm going to show you how I make my bluefin sashimi. So I have a nice piece of bluefin tuna here given to us by a friend. What I like to do is I use peanut oil. I get my oil nice and hot, as you can see in the pan. And the fish actually is slightly not frozen, but very cold in the middle. What we're doing, and the goal is to just get a good sear on the outside of the tuna. Now, peanut oil hot, it must be hot, just maybe about 3-4 seconds, as you see. Now here, it has been sitting in the fridge, cooling down for at least an hour, and it's perfect for slicing and serving. Look at that beautiful sear that's only on the outside, and it's nice and deliciously raw on the inside. We make our own ponzu sauce, which is made out of soy sauce, mirin, lemon juice, and I chop up some very hot peppers in there. As you can see, I'm gonna cover that now with a sauce that we made, and we're serving this on arugula. This fish, and the way I cook it, it goes just fantastic with arugula. I hope you enjoyed this video. It's a quick, fast video of how to make sashimi. It's easy. You need good fish, and you need to just get your oil hot and not rush and enjoy. Please like and subscribe, and I will try to bring more videos, and enjoy. I'll see you in my next video.